If there's a company that's telling you you should go out and do deals on your own without ever having had any experience, run away. I want them to prove to you why you should be there. You're the commodity. You're the agent. I can share this with you because I've actually been a manager now for Keller Williams, Coldwell Banker, and Compass. And so when you ask me, do I need to join a brokerage? The answer is yes. You have to start at a company because you're a real estate agent and you need a broker who's managing the transactions above you. So look for the places that want to train you. Look for the places that want to support you in your growth. And this could be a separate question or it can be involved in the same question, right? Do I join a team or do I go out on my own as an agent? A lot of places want to put you on teams now. I don't think the teams are doing training. I really don't. I know it from experience. That's a broad statement. I believe that there are some good teams that do wonderful training, and yet they are few and far between. So where are you getting your training from? That's the question. Because you want to learn how to do real estate correctly right at the beginning of your career. So look for places like Keller Williams has wonderful training for new agents. Coldwell Banker has good training. Compass doesn't take new agents unless they put you on a team, right? So there's all different models out there to support the agent community. Second, if I was a new agent at this point, one of the things I would recommend to everybody is you need to have an agent that's very experienced for your first 2 deals. And there's so many companies going away from that. I would run away from those companies. If there's a company that's telling you should go out and do deals on your own without ever having had any experience, run away. Because when it goes to court, the first thing they're going to ask is, what's your level of experience? And if you have a brand new agent who's doing a transaction without anybody mentoring them that knows what they're doing, you automatically are going to lose that lawsuit, right? And it's such a horrible way of doing business. If you are a go-getter who really doesn't need to be held accountable, doesn't need much support, then you can go to a brokerage that offers much higher splits, and you still have to work with somebody for your first couple of deals. I really want you to make sure you understand that. Otherwise, you're open to liability and lawsuits. And then once you've done 2 deals, you can go out on your own, you can have a high split, and you can build your business on your own. I went to Coldwell Banker when I started my career. And for the first year and a half I was there, I had a little bit of success, but there wasn't a lot of training even back then. And so I was one of the first 10 agents that joined Keller Williams in Los Angeles. And at the time, that's where I really started to learn from some of the most amazing leaders in the world, from Gary Keller, from Mo Anderson, on how to build your business the right way. And at the same time, I was in coaching with Mike Ferry. So I was drinking from a fire hose of leadership and being at cause for building your business and learning how to build systems out and hire people and personality profile, all these amazing things that absolutely lead to being a better realtor. And also being able to support your clients better. So look for a place that's focused on supporting you, training you. If you're talking to someone and they're talking about how great their office is or their company is, how amazing they are, and they're not telling you the things they're offering you, run away, right? If they have a mentorship program and they don't have good mentors, that's not the place that you want to be, right? So there's a series of questions that you want to ask. And by the way, we at Real Momentum have already created this list of questions. So if you're looking for them, you'll be able to find them at realmomentum.com. And we want you to go in and interview them, not them interview you, right? So a lot of agencies like to believe that they're putting the agent on the spot, and the agent is the one that has to prove to them that they should be there. No, I don't want you to look at it like that. I want them to prove to you why you should be there. You're the commodity. You're the agent. You're the person who can network with everybody and bring in all the business. So what are they doing to support that? How are they supporting you? Not how amazing they are and how lucky you are to be there with them. So focus on getting trained right at the beginning of your career. Focus on having the right mentor to support you in building your business. And most importantly, don't buy into the myths. You can be a listing agent right at the beginning of your career when you focus on sourcing listings. You can be a listing agent because most of the people that are sold homes are orphaned by their agent. The agent doesn't stay in touch with them. So there's all these geographic farms out there with sellers who have no agents. It's an amazing opportunity to go out there and network and connect with them and support them with their real estate needs. So decide, what it is that you want to accomplish in real estate. Don't focus on, I need to make the most amount of money right now. I need to get the best commission right now. Focus on the place that's going to provide you support and energy and mindset training, and a place that wants you to be there so that they can support your success, not you support their success. Thank you. Mahalo.